Hello guys, good evening. Ayan, this is our pork. We'll do a crispy pork. I just add this kosher salt, and as you can see, some piece of black pepper. Now we will add this garlic powder and onion powder. Okay. This is the garlic powder. Just one tablespoon. And then onion powder. Okay. And then we flip this one because it's very important, so that we will have a crispy skin of the pork. We will turn it, and here we will add a lot of salt. More salt. So that one, it's covered. All the skin is covered with salt. We will cover now with cling wrap or plastic. Then we put in the ref overnight. We do it like that, or marinate in the ref overnight. So guys, today is already 11 o'clock. Now I will remove the salt. I will remove this salt. Then we will put that one here, and then we put in the oven, so that the oil will not, when there's oil, the oven, it will be dirty, more oil. So I will try this. I will put in this container. We will see if the result is still the same, like just like this you're putting in the middle of the oven. But now I will put here inside. So we will remove that skin, because if you don't remove that, your pork belly will be salty. Okay, then we will dry that one. Okay, we will dry the skin. So, okay, so now we will transfer it here. Okay. And then, okay, that one like that. Cover it. So after 2 hours, kasi after an hour, you check your pork skin. So total here, it's all 2 hours. Did you see the pork slice shrink? Okay. So now it's very hot. Be careful. We will cut that one. I will let you hear. Sounds crispy, right? Yeah, that's the reason why we're putting salt in the skin. Yeah, so we will cut that one. It's very warm. So I like this idea with this big pot, cover like that in the oven, and the drip of the oil, my oven is clean. The drip of the oil just stay in the pot, in the cover, and in the corner. So this one is better. Cooking like this way is better. Check. Now we will remove it, so that you can see what's at the bottom. Okay, check. I never turn it down here in the pan. So check that. Still the color is good. It's appealing. And the fat there. Hey, wow. Now I will turn it again. Now we will get a knife. Hey, the crack. Oh, it's hard, the skin. Check the fats, guys. So it's really crispy. Wow, very crispy. The fats. Check that. Wow. We'll cut it nicely. So I changed a knife because the other one is for to slice some bread. It's not a chopping knife. Check that. Check the meat plus the skin. Pork belly in the oven. It's yummy. Another cut. It's hard holding the camera and cutting. I will stop it. So ayan na siya, guys. The pork belly roasted in the oven. Gawan ko na lang ng ayuda. I will do another recipe out of this. The pork humba or the lechon paksiw style. Lechon paksiw, yeah, it's good for this pork belly because, you know, the skin looks crispy, but I don't like. It's hard for me. Yeah. Yeah. So, we do a paksiw for this, lechon paksiw. And less fats already. More fats go in the pot there. This fats looks 1 cup of fats from that pork belly. So this is the most not success from all my pork belly in the oven. This is the worst. The rest is perfect. Yeah. Anyway, we will do that one tomorrow. Lechon paksiw. And we will cut onion and garlic for our lechon paksiw. So now we will heat the pan. We're done cutting our onions and garlic. Yeah, it's there, onion and garlic. I realized, guys, that I have a lot of cherry tomato. I will add tomato in our paksiw so that we can finish this cherry tomato. Since that's the pork put in the ref, sleeping all the fats. We will put, I'm not putting oil because there's a lot of oil already, fats in this pork. We put this one here. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of fats, oil sleeping. And here also, check that. So now the fats are melting. We will put the garlic and onion. And now we're putting around 1 cup water. And yeah, of course, we will add also our cherry tomato. That's enough. Okay, and then we will cover that one. So now, guys, we will prepare the sauce. We'll add here some sauce. Since now it's the sauce there, it's not a lot, so it reduced already the liquid. We will add now we have here soy sauce, maple syrup, and vinegar, and I will add a little bit of oyster. So start with 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. So we add first the vinegar. Oh, that's the soy sauce, and then the maple syrup. Later we will add the oyster sauce, and we will just mix that one. Hi, we have our dessert for later, guys. We have leche flan. I'm cooking leche flan, bake oven leche flan. So now again we will reduce the sauce, more sauce after we add the vinegar, soy sauce, and maple syrup. Now we will reduce that one. It tastes good when we will reduce the sauce. So we reduce, guys. We will remove the cover and we will put the heat at level 2. So we'll reduce this one. So now it's reduced already, the sauce. We will add now our oyster sauce. It's a gluten-free oyster sauce. Oh, little only. Okay, then we mix. And now it's cooked already. Now it's time I will cook rice, because rice is this lechon paksiw is yummy to eat with rice. Yes. Yeah. So it's very important. We will wash the rice because lots of dust in there. The amidon. Okay. To make sure we have a creamy sauce, we will add a cornstarch there. Slurry. This is cornstarch with water. Oh, very good. So our lechon paksiw is already cooked, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Check that. Wow, very beautiful, guys. Ang ganda. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.